Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing Vanellope from Wreck-It Ralph, so if you'd like to see what I do, just keep on watching. Okay, starting off, I'm going into the Pretty Vulgar The Ink Blacklist Gel Eyeliner, and looking at reference photos for the eyebrows, I'm going to fill those in. Now her eyebrows are fairly thick, so I'm going to make sure I do mine a little thicker than normal, and they're really boxy in the front. So now you have a big blocky eyebrow like this, and then just fill in the other one real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, now that those are done, I remind myself of the dad from American Pie with the big, thick black eyebrows. Okay, so next I am going to just take this contour shade, the shade Silhouette from the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, and I'm going to take a slightly angled brush, and I'm going to dip into this. I do have concealer on my lids. I didn't prime my eyes because I'm not going to be doing a very detailed look, obviously. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tuck this into the curve where my nose is. And I'm also going to slightly bring it down my nose. Oops, that's a lot. Then I'm going to blend. I'm also going to run some into my crease here. Then I'm taking that same contour shade, and I'm going to squint, and where the curvature of my eyeball is, I'm going to place it underneath. And I'm going to be putting blush on the cheeks right here, but I want this part to be really more defined and precise. And then I will blend the blush up to it. Then, taking my Luxie small contouring brush, I'm going to tap into that, and I'm not defining my cheeks, but I am going to define my jaw. Okay, now I'm going to go into the Broadway Colors Cheek Palette in the shade Summer, and I'm taking this shade right here. Now for my cheek area, I want to use a more precise brush for this. I'm going to use a smaller brush. This is just a fluffy angled face brush from Wet n Wild. It's a brush I normally use for bronzer, but I'm going to use this for blush just because it's more precise and controlled. Tap into that. And then looking at reference photos, just place a shit ton of blush on your cheeks. Blend it out at the side here. And then I am going to dip in more and build it up in the center. Make sure the edges are blended out though. Now that we're looking like Santa Claus, I'm going to blend it out more and up a little higher, just to fit my face shape better. And then we're going to apply a very generous amount to the ball of the nose as well. Then I am taking a small blending brush and I'm going to really deepen up the very tip of my nose here. Then I am also going to just take some powder and clean up a little bit at the bottom here. And then going back into that small blending brush one more time, I'm going to run that under my eyes. Then I'm taking this mini round brush from Luxie, putting a little bit of concealer on the back of my hand, because I want to brighten up that lower lash line. Then I'm going to go into a smudge brush. This is the smudger from Royal and Nickel Motor Pro. And then really place that contour directly where the concealer ends. Okay, then I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the black color, and I'm going to line my upper lash line. Just a line, I'm not going to a cat eye or anything because that's not how the character is. What is that? Then for mascara, I'm going into the Tarte Big Ego mascara, and I'm only coating my top lashes because she doesn't have defined lower lashes. Go ahead and focus it more on the outer edge and then a little on the inner. Okay, so I just cut up a pair of my Valiscia lashes in the style Dubai. I just cut off little 4 section of one, and I'm going to place them on the outer corner of my eye. I'm just going to use the Strip Lash Adhesive, the clear one that's latex free and formaldehyde free. Put that on my lashes right here. Then I'm just going to pop them on the outer corner. Like so. And then I'm going to put on the other ones and I'll be right back. Okay, now for lips, I'm going into the Wet n Wild Mega... what is this called? What are these called? I can't remember. The Wet n Wild, I think they're Mega Last lipsticks, and the shade Just Peachy, and I'm going to use that to put it on my lips. That might be a little too pinky. Since the character has somewhat thinner lips, I'm going to put some concealer on the back of my hand, take that mini round brush again, and kind of blur out the edges of the lipstick. Okay, now I think I'm going to go throw on my wig, and I should be done. I'm just gonna look and make sure, you know, like, everything looks good once the wig is on, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so yeah, that is the end of this tutorial. Just don't mind the fact that I'm wearing a dark shirt under here. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, or if you want to, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!